How to log out of Toobit application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily log out or sign out of Toobit in just a couple of minutes. First of all, open your Toobit application on your smartphone and make sure you are in the home page. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, from the profile section, go ahead and tap on your arrow button right next to your name at the top right, and this will take you to account information page. From here, scroll all the way down and click on log out, and you'll be logged out of your Toobit account immediately. That's it. You've securely logged out of Toobit. Taking this simple step protects your funds and personal information, especially when stepping away from shared device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.